Good morning, everybody. I guess it's good morning here. It's about a little after 8 o'clock in the morning in San Diego. And I want to ask you a question. Have you run Facebook ads and they didn't work? And the funny thing is, if you ask that of most people who've run Facebook ads, I bet 90-95% run ads and they don't work. I mean, they don't work. I mean, they spend money and they may not get any sales whatsoever. I mean, zero. And the shame is you spend all this time, selecting a product and, getting your cost right. And then you build a page and then you have upsells and maybe you've got an order bump and you've got downsells and you get some really cool artwork that looks good. And you write what you think is really good copy, and you know what? It could very well be. And then you run your ads, and crickets. Nothing happens. Or maybe you get 1 or 2 sales, but the sale costs you, 3 times, 4 times what the product does, and it's frustrating. I know, I went through it. It's really frustrating. And then I stumbled upon a couple techniques, and these techniques changed everything. Matter of fact, they actually made money on the ads. How about that? Isn't that astounding? And you know what? The fact is, that people are making money on these ads. I mean, there's no way Facebook is in business and, is worth billions of dollars if some people aren't making money. The thing is, you got to figure out that process on how to make money. Because here's the truth. Let me ask you a little quick quiz here. The first question is, what's more important? Your ad copy, your image or video, or your audience? Which one of those 3 do you think is the most important? Okay, now that you thought about that for a second, consider this. You go out and you hire the best photographer in the world or best videographer in the world, and they do this awesome video for you of your product, or they do these just super cool pictures of your product. And then what you do is you go out and you hire the best copywriter in the world, right? I mean, this guy can write or she can write. And I mean, it's good stuff. It's compelling. It's interesting. It's everything, right? And then you put all that together and you pick an audience and it doesn't work. What do you think the problem is? The problem is the audience. And, people think it's so simple. It's like, hey, if I'm selling, bowling shoes, I'll put it in front of people who bowl all the time. It doesn't work that way. It's nothing like that. And that's the problem, is we make it so simple that it makes it difficult and we don't get any results. So, if you think about this for a second, if you have an audience that is really excited about something, I mean, they are really into it and they really love it, and you put a so-so ad in front of them, you'll probably sell them. So the most important component is being able to select those audiences that are going to make you money. That's the key. That's the key right there. Share this video if you think that there's somebody out there that could benefit from this who's struggling with Facebook audiences.